Hi besties, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Welcome to today's video. So today I'm going to show you guys another amazing hair growth tool that's going to help you to improve your hair growth. If you're suffering from hair loss, it's going to help you to stop hair loss. So we're using onions and ginger. Then I'm going to be adding my three major ingredients, which is fenugreek, cloves, and rosemary. So the onions I'm using is the back of the onions, which the ginger as well is the back of the ginger I'm using. So I'm using this 1 teaspoon, okay, to measure the three ingredients, which is cloves, rosemary, and fenugreek seed. Okay, onions is an amazing for hair growth. Okay, it helps to stop hair loss, it helps to grow out your hair, and so as ginger, and so as the rest of the ingredients I'm using. Mixing these 5 ingredients together is going to boost your hair growth. All right besties, if you've not tried this, kindly try it and your hair is going to love it. So I'm going to be showing you guys how I'm going to be applying this on my hair. If you're new to the channel, hi, welcome. Thank you so much for clicking. Thank you so much for subscribing. Thank you so much for liking and sharing your beautiful comment. So I just added water and I'm going to allow this to boil for 10 minutes. And after 10 minutes, my tea is ready. So here it has boiled, okay, and I have noticed the water has changed. I'm going to off it and allow this to cool down for another 10 minutes. So our ingredient is ready. I strained it using my sieve. Then I'm going to pour this inside my spray bottle. Then I'm going to apply it. This can stay for storage. It can stay up to 5 days in your fridge and it will not smell. All right. So this is my hair. I always use my bonnet to cover my hair when I'm sleeping. So an amazing way to keep your hair in check is using hair bonnet, or you can have this satin pillow, or if you have a satin scarf, you can use satin scarf, wrap it on your pillow and use it to sleep. So I always double my my protecting routine, which is wearing my hair bonnet, which is satin hair bonnet. Then I also always use my satin hair scarf, okay, to tie on my pillow to sleep, just in case if I sleep and the hair bonnet has removed from my hair. You know, we don't predict what happen at night, okay, when we are sleeping. So if the hair bonnet removed from my hair, I'm still protected by my satin scarf, which I use to wrap my pillow. Yeah, so I'm just going to spray this all over my hair and make sure my hair really absorb all these benefits, this amazingness hair growth tea, okay, on my hair. And yeah, so this is the second tea I have done so far in my 2 months challenge, okay, of no hands on my hair. So this is the second tea I have done so far and I am loving the feeling of my hair. So guys, let me know if you're going to be trying this and let me know which other teas you have tried from my channel. I really appreciate that. Okay love, so I'm gonna spray and I'll do the rest of my routine, which is adding oils, butter, leave-in condition, you know, seal in everything. So make sure you massage your hair. I am staying away from my edges, guys, like literally staying away from my edges. The struggle of staying away from my edges is real. Like normally I would have sprayed this on my edges and stay massaging my edges, but you can see I just sprayed it and tucked my hair back so that everything can just stay there and dry out, which is so hilarious to do. But I made a commitment not to touch my edges, which I am trying to stick to it. Anytime you use a hair tea, always apply your leave-in condition, okay, to help to seal in that hair tea. Here is my hair growth oil, which has MSM inside. So I always apply this on my scalp and in this kind of line position. I make sure I apply it everywhere on my scalp. It's really awesome. It has a lot of amazing ingredients. I use this oil for my daughter's hair without the MSM, okay, because she's still a child. So I use this oil without the MSM inside. So she has her own separate bottle. Me, I have my own separate bottle. So I just apply this on my hair and on my scalp as well. Then I will go in with my hair grease, which is mixture of three different hair grease. So I mix all those together and I'll apply it on my hair. And after this, you will massage. Make sure you massage your hair so that everything can dissolve inside your hair strand. So loves, I'm done moisturizing my hair and I am going to pack it. I am packing my hair in two. After packing it, I will plait the hair and tuck it aside. Then I'll leave my hair for like 3 days before I re-moisturize. So for the front of my edges, as I said, I'm not touching it. So I always put oil. If I just put oil, I leave it. But you guys will see that, see, the oil is already dripping on my face. So I have to like pull it back and allow it to stay on my hair. Yeah, the struggle is not easy. Alright, besties, I hope you enjoyed this video with me. Let me know your thoughts in the comment section. Onions is an amazing ingredient to help you in terms of growing your hair. I know it has smell, but this tea don't have any smell. Okay, like as of now, it's past 2 3 days. Yeah, it's past 3 days and I smell the tea. It's not smelling bad, so I'm going to use it again for the second time. Then I will dispose of it because I said 5 days. So I sprayed this tea on my hair and allow my hair to sit for 3 days. Then the next day, like after 3 days, I spray it on my hair and discard the remaining one. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to give the video a thumbs up, subscribe if you have not, share, and please on your notification bell so that you notify each time I upload a new video. I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye for now.